look at my shirt. I caught myself on fire. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and get started here. I have all my supplies. I kind of shopped for this a while ago. I got some caster wheels. I got some of this angle iron here. I probably got more than I need. Just doing some rough measurements on it. It looks like I'm going to have like 3/4 of one of these left over when I'm done, which is pretty good. I also got some round stock so that I can bend up and make like hooks for to hold, like, you know, the TIG torch and the grounding clamp and all that kind of stuff can kind of be on the side here. The plan, as you saw, was I'm going to put the welder on the top. I'm going to have the bottle on the back side here, and I'm going to have a frame that it all sits on with caster wheels. And yeah, so I did like a real quick drawing. 16 inches is going to be the width here, and the bottle 7.5 inch for the shelf on the back side for the bottle. The bottle's going to kind of be right here. And then I'm going to have like a bracket that comes out. That's like that. And then it's going to have a chain that goes around it. Pretty standard stuff. And then welder here. Maybe like the wires coiled up on the side here. So that's the plan. I'm going to get to it. I'm going to put you on time-lapse mode because I'm going to throw some music on and I'm just going to jam away. But I'm just using basic tools. All I have, grinder, cut-off wheel, sawzall, welder. So let's do it. Okay, guys, I gotta cut in here because look at my shirt. I caught myself on fire. I don't know what the camera caught because it was on hyperlapse. It was taking like a time lapse, so we'll see what frames I get out of it. But scared the bejesus out of me. The good thing is I'm wearing my long johns that I got in the Army for flying with. So these are actually I'm essentially wearing like a fireproof base layer, so I didn't get burned, but I was on fire. Holy crap, I was full on fire. I ripped this thing off so quick. I tried to put it out on my, you know, when it was still on my chest. It was kind of burning like under my armpit. Oh man, this is my hoodie from Afghanistan. I'm kind of mad, but I'm glad I didn't get burned. Look at this thing. It was cooking in my armpit. I'm like, man, my armpit's getting hot. I flipped my mask up and I'm like, holy crap, I'm I'm gonna keep working. I'm gonna try not to catch myself on fire again. I'm really glad I didn't get burned. Don't be grinding in flammable clothes. Anyway, I'm going back to work. kind of tacked it, and then I just went right into welding. So I got, you know, this is mild steel, so not too bad, I guess. There's some weird stuff going on. I'm not sure if my tank is getting low. It shouldn't be getting low, but yeah. That was pretty rough. This one was pretty rough too. But I'm going to keep going with it. Couple days later, I moved on from working on the welding cart, and I am working on the BMW. So there is car content coming real soon, but I wanted to close out the video for the welding cart because I just kind of stopped recording and I did a little bit of work. So let me show you what I added additionally from what you guys saw. So I have this vertical angle iron here that I welded at the bottom. I put that cross member in. I have this cross member here. You can see my welds were starting to look much better. Starting to get the hang of it. I gotta work on where I finish. I keep getting these little holes where I finish, so I'll work on that. But yeah, the welds are coming out a lot better. This one's a little boogery, but not too bad. So the plan is now I can weld off of this and make hooks that a chain can come around and hold my tank. For right now, I just have the bungee cord. And it really kind of sits super tight in there anyway. It's really a press fit into the bottom there. Like I'm moving the whole cart with the tank, and it's only strapped in with this. I think that's all I did. So this is pretty much it. It rolls around really nice. It's a mess right now because I was just using it on a project, and the cart fits in here nice next to my new clutch fabrication table that Melissa got me for my birthday / Christmas. So let me get this back in here. What am I hitting? Yeah, fits nice in there. Perfect spot. I got this. I'm going to black this window out completely, but for right now I just put my foam up there just to keep it, you know, so I'm not killing the neighbors over there with welding sparks and stuff. So yeah, this is pretty much it. And I got, I did upgrade my tool count a little bit. So I got a portable bandsaw from Harbor Freight, nice cheap one. And Swag Off-Road makes a piece that bolts to this that you then put in your vise, and it makes your bandsaw like a vertical bandsaw, so I can come up here and work on it just like it's a regular bandsaw. So I'm going to get that. That'll help me out when I do the exhaust for the BMW, which is rapidly approaching. I am out here working on the BMW. I welded the frame rails on. So that is going on. The paint's drying on this right now. I have the Mercedes brake booster to swap out for the BMW one that's all wrapped in gold there. I hit that with some wrinkle black spray paint just to kind of subdue it a little bit. But yeah, that's going to be it. I just wanted to close that video out, and it turned into a little update of what's going on in the garage right now. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. And if you like the video, make sure you hit the like button and tell me that you like it in the comments. That helps out the algorithm and all that crap. So, hook me up, leave me a comment, and I'll see you next time.